What's up, YouTube? It's Boomatic back at it with another banger. I got something new for the Bronco. I got the OEM rubber floor mats. If you're ordering your Bronco, just make sure you include that in your build. I did not include that in my build, and I actually didn't get any rear, like, regular carpeted floor mats for the back of the Bronco. Leave me a comment if that's something normal. I thought all cars, no matter what model you get, comes with a carpet floor mat. I got two for the front, but nothing for the rear. So I decided just to order the OEM rubber weather proof floor mats, OEM for Bronco. So I'm going to be putting those in today. So if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell for me. That helps me a lot, helps the channel out a lot, and hit the thumbs up. Free for you, but means the world to the channel. If you're new to the channel, my name is Boomatic Cars. I have a 2022 Bronco I just got. The channel car is my GTR, a Nissan GTR. It makes 1100 horsepower or a little bit more than that. And I have some cars too. The PT Cruiser, I call it the PTR. That's a turbocharged version of the PT Cruiser, and also a Dodge Cummins. So subscribe to the channel. Plenty of car content. This average Joe doing some DIY stuff and my little experiences with my vehicles. Like, comment, share, subscribe. So these are the OEM floor mats it came with. A little dirty. Don't mind that. I never got a chance to vacuum it yet. And back here, it came with nothing, just bare carpet. So that was kind of weird to me. I went to the dealer and I asked them about that, and they were like, "Oh, it's not on your your build sheet or whatever." So I was like, "Really? I have front ones and I don't have rear ones." So to me, I think it was just an excuse, but oh well. I ordered some rubber ones. I would have did that anyway. They're better, you know, they protect against spills or the wet feet, salt, sand, stuff like that. Easy to rinse off. So let's take a look at those. Just opening up the box. I'm getting the cans for that. So these are the floor mats. These are the ones for the front. Cool, they say Bronco on them. So you have the front ones. Cool. Now we have the one for the rear. Has a cool Bronco logo that goes over that center hump, and that goes in the right passenger, I believe. Right rear passenger. So let's throw these on. They look good. So I'm gonna just take these off and save them. Get this popping. Okay, you just push these in and pull up, and they come out. Save these. It came with some instructions, but I think I could figure this out. It's pretty neat they included that. So, put that down now. Put that in now. Snap that down like that. They call me a master tech if you need. I only do floor liners. I only do floor liners for my install. So it looks good. So passenger front side only has one button. You press that sucker and pull at the same time. You gotta press and pull. That's coming out. Let's throw this side in, find a little hole, and are you gonna just press it in with a little pressure? Bam, all set to go. Like I said, I'm a professional installer. You could reach me through email in my description, and I'll get those in for you. This is sad. I had to put this makeshift mat in a 2022 because the dealer said my order doesn't come with floor mats in the rear. I don't know. Leave a comment. Let me know if the dealer is right, if I'm wrong, and your experience if you didn't get floor mats either. So let me know. I'm very interested. So the rear just pretty much slid in there. You don't need to do any of the buttons, and it just falls in there. A little marked up from shipping in the box, but I think that would just clean up with like a wet rag or something like that, but I'll do that later. But as you can see how it fits over the center hump, and it covers all the way up to the door here. So good fitment. I mean, it is OEM. So I got this off of Amazon actually. Make sure it was OEM, and I don't know if it was a Ford dealer, a Ford parts dealer that sold on Amazon. I'm thinking that's the case, but I mean, they're around 180 bucks online. I'm not sure what the dealer charges, but I would assume more. The last piece, the rear passenger, and that just clips in by itself. Guess you just let this fold over it like this, and voila, installed. I'm guessing with, you know, the heat and stuff, it'll start to mold over time, but good fit, easy install. Definitely recommend going OEM. I know WeatherTech makes good stuff too, but you know, I just like the OEM because you get the little the branding. So you get the Bronco there, and on the front too, it has mentions Bronco, so you just know it belongs to their truck. Just a little touch. You know, it's up to you. It's all preference. You know, they're all gonna work. That's how the front is branded Bronco. Kind of like that. I love this color of the Bronco, Velocity Blue. If anybody wants to know, has a Sasquatch package that comes with the 35s. This is the V6 27 twin turbo, so it has a little extra power. Yep, and the hard top, which was hard to get. It took about a year after doing the order, you know, 2 years from the reservation, a year from the order. So finally here, stick to the channel. I'm gonna be removing the top, doing a video on that, and later on I'll remove the doors. But I want to order those door bags. I didn't order the door bags. I got bags for roofs, but not for the doors. So definitely with this paint, you know, you don't want to scratch it up. So I recommend getting the door bags too. So if you didn't place a Bronco order yet, make sure you get the Weathermats. That's a good investment. And also get all the bags. Get the bags for the doors, and get the bags for the roof. You know, it's going to be financed in, so really those things are going to cost you a few extra bucks a month. And you know, I was trying to be conservative, but really I'm going out and buying other stuff cash right now, so it all works, and if you work it into the deal. So just keep that in mind when you're ordering your Broncos. All right. Thank you for watching the video. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell so your views count, and it will help the channel. Tell me what you think about the Bronco floor mats. Would you get them? Would you add them to your build? Have you already added them to your build, or have you went with a different brand than OEM? Yeah, I would like to know. And yeah, let's keep this conversation going. All right, bye.